There's no doubt that boats do require battery replacement from time to time and are a necessary part of the maintenance process. That being said, if you are looking for a new marine battery for your boat, here are some of the best options that you can pick from the market. Although we have already picked the best ones from the market, choosing one for yourself is still going to be your decision to make. There are many products available to choose from best marine battery, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did quality research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best marine battery from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Minnesota Coda Trolling Motor Marine Battery. For those people who are looking for a solution to keep their marine battery safe and sound, this power center box from Minnesota Coda is one of the most reliable and wonderful options that you can try out. This battery box can almost fit all the 24 and 27 size batteries, and offers 12-volt accessory plugs for easy installation. In fact, it's best to pick if your boat does not have a dedicated battery compartment. Thanks to the easy access external battery terminals, you will be able to use the battery without opening the box every time. Moreover, this box even comes with a 60A resettable circuit breaker and a 10A resettable circuit breaker, which makes it compatible with most battery options. In fact, there are carry handles given on both sides that will help you easily move it from one. Number 2. Mighty Maxi Deep Cycle Storage Battery. For those people who are looking out for an affordable deep cycle battery option, the ML3512 battery from Mighty Max is one of the best options that you can consider checking out. Starting with the main features of this battery, it comes with a 35 Ah capacity and delivers a 12-volt output, which is compatible with most boats and even with other vehicles such as RVs. On top of it, it's a lead-acid battery that comes properly sealed, so spillage problems will not be there as it's an AM battery. In fact, the best part about this battery is that it can be easily mounted in any direction and can be installed pretty easily in any vehicle. Moreover, there are no complaints about its build quality as it comes with a high-impact case and is also covered under a 1-year warranty offered by the manufacturer. Pros: spill-proof AM design, resistant to shocks and vibrations, maintenance-free. Number 3. Optima Blue Top Marine Starting Battery. One of the most popular battery brands which are grossing in the market right now is Optima Batteries, as it offers a wide range of battery options for everyone's needs. In case you are looking for a reliable starting battery for your boat, the Blue Top battery from Optima is one of the best options available out there. This battery offers a 12-volt output with 800 cold cranking amps, which is good enough to give a cold start to almost all kinds of boats, and even works for other vehicles, such as RVs too. Thanks to its durable design, this battery is about 15 times more resistant to vibrations, which results in a longer lifespan. In fact, the battery has a 50 Ah capacity and also features a Number 4. VMAX 857 Marine Deep Cycle Performance. For those who own a small boat and love to use it quite frequently, you should definitely check out the battery options offered by VMAXtinks. Speaking of the VMAX 857 battery, it's a 12V battery that offers a decent capacity of 35 Ah, which is pretty ideal for most boats. If we talk about its performance, it's wonderful, and as it's an AM battery, you will barely face any quality issues with this one, or any kind of spillage problems as well. Apart from that, it's designed in a way that users don't need to care for its maintenance, as it's tough enough to sustain on its own for a very long time. In fact, all the VMAXtinks batteries come with a 1-year warranty, and so does this one too. Number 5. Odyssey Trolling Thunder Marine Battery. Coming on to the last battery option on this list, Odyssey is one such brand that has a great reputation for making high-end heavy-duty batteries. This dual-purpose marine battery is quite well constructed and offers optimal performance for everyone's requirements. This battery delivers up to 1150 cold cranking amps, hence, starting your boat or RV during those typical cold mornings won't be a hassle. Since it's a 12V 100 Ah battery, it surely is very durable and has a service life of about 3 to 10 years, which is quite good. Moreover, this battery offers up to 400 cycles, which is almost 70% better than what most standard batteries are capable of offering. In fact, if we talk about its efficiency, that's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.